Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. It's been a long time since I posted a regular video. So today we will be discussing about preferences in Malayalam. But before going into that, Happy New Year to all. So it's been a long time, I know that, and it's been super busy, and that's the reason why I was not able to do videos for quite some time. So it is busy now also. It is going to be busy for quite a long time, I'm guessing, because I have a 4-year-old, so it's just taking care of her. Then job is there, then other stuff. So there's so very busy. So that's the reason. But I have started doing daily short videos. So some of you have already started seeing them and showing your support, making comments. So I really want others also to come and watch them and comment what you would like to see there. Right now, they are phrases, sentences, and we can also do like the slang phrases that Malayalis do on a daily conversation basis. So that way, you'll be able to learn more functional sentences and phrases. So this is my attempt to be connected with you all, even though um, I'm in a very busy schedule, and I hope you're enjoying that. So please do comment and let me know how you feel about those. So coming into today's video, so we are going to talk about preferences today. So preferences is when you want to say that you like one thing more than the other. So in Malayalam, two words can be used to denote those, that is ishtam or talparyam. Ishtam, talparyam. So that shows like. So let us see some examples and learn this. So first example is I prefer tea to coffee. So how to say this in Malayalam? We can say എനിക്ക് കാപ്പിയേക്കാൾ ചായയാണ് ഇഷ്ടം. So കാപ്പിയേക്കാൾ means more than coffee. I like tea. Or you can say this in a different manner. It's just rearranging some words. So എനിക്ക് കാപ്പിയേക്കാൾ ഇഷ്ടം ചായയാണ്. Both are correct, and it means I prefer tea to coffee. എനിക്ക് കാപ്പിയേക്കാൾ ഇഷ്ടം ചായയാണ്. So in this second example, I'm going to use another word in addition to what we already have seen. It is കൂടുതൽ or ഏറെ. കൂടുതൽ ഏറെ. It denotes more. And interest is talparyam. So talparyam is like, or more than that, it is interest. So in this example, it is I like football more than cricket. I like football more than cricket. എനിക്ക് ക്രിക്കറ്റിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ താല്പര്യം ഫുട്ബോളിനോടാണ്. എനിക്ക് ക്രിക്കറ്റിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ താല്പര്യം ഫുട്ബോളിനോടാണ്. So at least some of you might not know, if you are not from India, some in some part of the world, some people don't know what cricket is. That's okay. And some don't call football as football. That's also okay. Both are sports item, and cricket is a sport item, and football is called otherwise soccer in some part of the world. So um, it's just a sentence saying the person like football more than cricket. So എനിക്ക് ക്രിക്കറ്റിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ താല്പര്യം ഫുട്ബോളിനോടാണ്. So here we use the word താല്പര്യം, and also we used കൂടുതൽ. കൂടുതൽ denotes stands for more. So I know it is little bit tough and it is a long sentence. So let us um, go deeper and see how this is formed, how these sentences are formed. So basically what you do is that the least preferred object, and what you have to add is a kal, whatever the object is, plus a kal. Uh, then you can say about ishtam, which you like. So the least preferred object comes first in the sentence. That's the key. And the grammar part is a kal, or you can also say a kalum. So this is looking like a jargon, but let us see what that is. So chaya, here we have used two examples already. So chaya plus a, that changes as chaya. So that is why I have written the object plus a. Chaya, it changes its form. Kapi plus a, it becomes kapi. You see that additionally ya sound has come in, and then cricket plus a, cricketine. So there it is different. The ne sound came in. Football plus a, footballine. So and you can say football in a column, chai a column. So you might be thinking how to learn or how this changes when we use it with different words. So that is going to be a little bit tougher in the sense you should get used to more words and you should get used to using more words. That's how you will learn it. We cannot sit and learn all the words and then how it changes when a is added to it. We cannot do that. It all comes with time and with usage. And there are some exceptions too. So we cannot. I I really don't think it will be an easier method to just start learning a lot of words and then adding the a sound. So it just takes time. That's all. So for time being, you please understand this is how it is formed, and then let's see another example to make sure we are understanding this. Okay. So in this example, do you like maths or science? നിനക്ക് കണക്കാണോ ശാസ്ത്രമാണോ ഇഷ്ടം? So നിനക്ക് കണക്കാണോ ശാസ്ത്രമാണോ ഇഷ്ടം? So this is asking about the preference. നിനക്ക് കണക്കാണോ ശാസ്ത്രമാണോ ഇഷ്ടം means കണക്ക് is maths and shastram is science. So which one do you like? So the answer is I like science more than maths. I like science more than maths. So this sentence is എനിക്ക് കണക്കിനേക്കാളും ഏറെ ഇഷ്ടം ശാസ്ത്രത്തോടാണ്. So here let us break it. So എനിക്ക് is I, like is ishtam, science is shastram, maths is kanakku. So kanakkinekalum, here we have used that kalum instead of kal. Kanakkinekalum ere, more than. So ere ishtam shastrathodana. So it is if you like to say like this, like എനിക്ക് കണക്കിനേക്കാൾ ഏറെ ഇഷ്ടം ശാസ്ത്രത്തോടാണ്, that's also correct. So it's either kal or kalum. You can also use ishtam or talparyam. Both denotes the same thing. So either way the sentence is correct. It's a little bit tough, but if you break it down and learn, it is going to be easy. So that's our chapter for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I would like to hear your comments and suggestions, and I'll be making the daily shorts videos. So please do click on your notifications, and then if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.